Good morning, class. Today we will take up the topic entrepreneurship and the government as part of the subject entrepreneurship. We will understand what role the government is playing for the growth of entrepreneurship in the country and what are the various government schemes in this regard. So let's begin. The Government of India has come up with various schemes for entrepreneurial growth and development. The objective is to promote a culture of entrepreneurship in the country and provide and enhance employment opportunities. As you all know, the government today is focusing on the growth of entrepreneurship in the country, and in order to promote it, it has taken a number of steps and initiatives and launched various schemes from time to time. The objective of the government is not only to promote a culture of entrepreneurship development but also to generate more and more employment opportunities. So, we will understand what are the various schemes that the government has come up with to promote the entrepreneurship culture. The first scheme is that of Make in India. Now, the Make in India is an initiative that has been started by the present government. It was launched in 2014 with the primary goal of making India a global manufacturing hub by encouraging both multinational corporations and domestic companies to manufacture their products within the country. It has introduced various initiatives promoting FDI, implementing intellectual property rights, and developing the manufacturing sector. It targets sectors such as automobiles, IT, aviation, chemicals, construction, defense manufacturing, food processing, oil and gas, pharmaceuticals, ports and shipping, railways, roads and highways, tourism and hospitality. Now, the Make in India scheme is centered around the following four pillars. First is new processes. It recognizes ease of doing business to promote entire entrepreneurship. A number of initiatives have been undertaken in this regard to ease business environment. The overall aim is to de-license and deregulate the industry. Next is new infrastructure. It aims at availability of modern infrastructure and for this the government intends to develop industrial corridors and smart cities to provide infrastructure with modern high-speed communication and integrated logistic arrangements. Next pillar in the Make in India program is new sectors. The government is aiming new sectors for entrepreneurship development. It has identified sectors in manufacturing, infrastructure, and service activities. Next is new mindset. The Make in India intends to change government's image from being a regulator to a facilitator. Earlier, the government was seen as a mere regulator, but with the Make in India campaign, the government aims to be a facilitator rather than a regulator. So that was the Make in India scheme. Now we will talk of another scheme, that is the National Skill Development Program. It was another initiative started by the present government. The National Skill Development Program is also known as the National Skill Development Mission. It was launched in the year 2015 with an aim to scale up skill development efforts in India. As part of it, National Skill Development Corporation was set up to fulfill the growing need for skilled manpower across sectors. The need for starting this scheme came up because the government realized that, as far as India is concerned, there is a huge gap between demand for a particular skill and supply of that particular skill in the job market. It was seen that people were not having the right kind of knowledge and skills to set up their businesses. And therefore, in order to be job creators rather than job seekers, the government aimed at the National Skill Development Program. Its objective is to make people learn skills, knowledge, and abilities that would help them to start up their own businesses and earn a decent living. As part of this program, many initiatives and schemes have been launched. So that was another initiative by the government. Now we will understand one more initiative, that is the Startup India. The Startup India is a campaign or a mission that has been started by the government in the year 2016. It is a flagship initiative of the Government of India intended to build a strong ecosystem for nurturing innovation and startups in the country that will drive sustainable economic growth and generate large scale employment opportunities. Again, the Startup India is an initiative that aims to build up a culture of entrepreneurship development, and as part of it, the government is aiming to encourage individuals to come up with their own businesses or startups. It would serve several benefits. First of all, it would make people self sufficient and they would be job creators rather than job seekers. They would create employment opportunities for many others. Startups shall be allowed to self certify compliance. That is, people who are willing to come up with their own startups need not follow many legal formalities. They can themselves certify their businesses. Also, they shall be provided legal assistance and support. In order to provide or raise funding to startups, the government has also come up with schemes such as Fund of Funds, etc. All these initiatives are there to promote the culture of startups in the country. However, as far as financing is concerned, it was seen that startups really find difficult to arrange funds for them. Therefore, the government introduced some financial schemes such as Fund of Funds to provide financial assistance to startups. Other than that, startups are also getting required funds or finance from venture capitalists. So it is another source of finance. Even loan syndication could be a source of finance. So that was about the Startup India program. So these were a few schemes that were launched by the government for entrepreneurship development. Thank you.